Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your iPhone is up to date and you have the private DNS provider hostname or IP. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Wi-Fi for a network-specific setup or general VPN and network for system options. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active so settings apply correctly. You're taking control of name resolution to improve privacy and filtering. Proceed now to adjust the actual DNS configuration on the network you use. You now edit the network's DNS. Tap the Wi-Fi information icon next to your network, choose Configure DNS, and switch to manual to add IP addresses like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 9, 9, 9, 9. If you prefer encrypted DNS, install a DNS profile or use a provider that offers DNS over HTTPS/TLS and follow their profile instructions. Make sure to remove conflicting entries and prioritize the encrypted provider. These steps ensure you finish by saving changes, toggling Wi-Fi off and on, and restarting apps to confirm DNS resolution. If sites still resolve incorrectly, revert to automatic temporarily, then reapply the manual or profile settings to clear caches. Make sure no VPN or security app is overriding DNS, and check the provider's service status. If problems persist, delete duplicate DNS profiles and reboot the phone. This single troubleshooting tip, disable conflicts, then reapply, usually resolves most private DNS issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.